Hey everyone, I'm back finally after a long vacation. Let's get started with this Korean salad. It's squash, some carrots, onion, bell pepper, and the seasonings will be some Korean seasonings that I get from Russian store, and then some salt, pepper, vinegar, some salt, and whatever other seasonings you like. Like I like ground coriander as well for this. It makes a lot of great taste and smell. Dice your onions, cook it in a lot of oil. That will be our kind of the sauce that we will get. Cook that. Slice your squash about try to make it as thin as possible so everything can go through, and become soft. So almost like see-through. Slice your peppers into smaller pieces, into strips, and then twice across, and then use this thing for carrots, and then so we get these kind of carrots, and then put it all in the garlic, mince it, throw it in the bowl. So we have all these pretty vegetables. Everything's ready for the seasonings. And this is called carrot Korean seasoning, and then do your salt, do your pepper, do some vinegar, and to your taste. And here's the onion that has been softened up. We just want it to lightly soften. We don't want it completely browned or anything. As you can see, the onion is still white, but cooked. So, and then we're just going to mix everything. You want to make sure that the seasonings you like right now, if it's salty enough for you, if it's peppery enough, because this is the taste that you'll pretty much get, but it's going to taste a lot better. It's just you want it to be perfect. So check it and then refrigerate this for at least a day or two, which is best, and then it tastes so good on the second, third day. Trust me on that one. Hold your patience. Please like and subscribe, and you'll get more great videos. Till next time.